One of the buzzwords these days in the exercise field is resistance training, which is something that we as Pilates instructors have been doing for a very, very long time. And all of these bits and pieces that I have surrounding me at the moment, well, most of them you can use for resistance training and be right on point when it comes to being up there in the know. First of all, magic circle or a ring. This is one of the best things for resistance, okay? You get them in different weights, and I like to say weights because it depends on how strongly you're going to have to press into them. So if you're going to buy one of these, make sure that you get one that suits you but isn't too easy that you can just squish it like this and you don't get any benefit. Another thing with the resistance, of course, would be your TheraBands, which I'm sure you've seen if you've ever been to a physio. They generally have these things. You can use them for all kinds of stuff. In fact, it's like a little gym in a bag. You can take it with you wherever you go. Once again, also different resistance weights. Like that's a lot harder than that one, and this one's in between. Something to keep if you've got a dodgy neck, small balls. These are also great for all kinds of exercises or just for using as a pillow when you've decided that you actually want to have some rest and relaxation on the mat. When it comes to things like weights, do get some. If you're just going walking with them, 2 kilograms in each hand, you can put them into a backpack and go walking with your weights. But if you don't want to buy them, you can also just use like 2 1-liter Coke bottles or cool drink bottles and fill them with sand. There you are, then it's 1 kilogram per 1 liter. And the last piece of equipment, if your budget does stretch that far, would be to use a foam roller. You can use this for all kinds of things. If you've got your back is feeling a bit sore, you put your hips up onto it, doing a bit of a pelvis reset, or what we call myofascial release, which is the fascia, the skin that surrounds your muscles. Okay, sometimes it gets really tight and you just need to loosen it out a bit. And if you don't have somebody on hand to give you a massage, well, you can do it yourself. Keep watching for these ones, all in upcoming videos.